I have a few budget items coming my way, and I believe this should be from Linsoul. A couple of budget items from 7 Hours Elua and 7 Hours G1. Let's open it up and we will see. These two items are priced in the $30 to 40 price range. They are inexpensive and house dynamic drivers. One of them, the Elua, is a collaboration with HPB. I have worked around a couple of IEMs that are in collaboration with HPB, and they are decent, unlike Crinacle. There's HBB collaboration are a bit more reasonable to me. I'm not exactly sure uh, what's different, but it seems like the feedback from the collaborator is different. G1 houses one single dynamic driver, while the Elua houses dual dynamic drivers. Let's let's see if there is any specification on the box. It looks nice. It looks nice. I'm not sure if I can read that, but it looks nice. I'm liking the design of this, and if you guys can see, this is exactly looking like what KZ and CCA IEMs come with. So yeah, I do not have a lot of expectations from the accessories, but we will see what we can get out of this budget IM. Priced at just $30, so I'm not being very critical about anything. Yeah, exactly same kind of packaging as KZ and CCA. So okay, now the distinguishing part here should be the tuning. So I'm not going to be very critical about the setup accessories, but yep, I'm liking the setup tips. These earpieces look nice too. This look nice looking earpieces, and ear tips too looks good. I'm liking the design, and this transparent shell looks nice. Not big for sure. This is fairly small and should be comfortable inside the ear too. Liking the ergonomics too, and this should be good. This should be good. Let's have a look at the ear tips and cable. This cable is slightly different from what they offered with the Zero, but I'm not exactly sure how different. This one is reasonably lightweight and looks decent, much better than some Kiwi ears IMs that come with black cables, which does not look good. I am slightly disappointed with the cable too because of its tangly nature, but this is much better than KZ IMs, so that is okay. That is good, I guess. This is not going to feel worse than KZ, so that is a consolation. Looks nice, should be comfortable inside the ear. I will compare it with I don't know what, but we will see. We will definitely see what can be done with the 7 Hours Elua. So this is it. This is it. This is the unboxing of 7 Hours Elua. I have had this IEM for last couple of weeks, and I have to admit that this $30 IEM is one of the best IEMs you can get around $50. Now, what happens in this price range is brands try to put on a lot of drivers or some fancy driver, and the sound quality is not the biggest priority for them. What is a bigger priority for them is marketing, but Elua doesn't try to do anything like that. It's a collaboration IM, yet it has two dynamic drivers, and at just $30, this one has a very good balance of nearly everything you can ask for. It does not have anything fancy. It's smaller in size, you guys can see, fairly small in size, and looks nice. Doesn't have any wing design or anything like that. The cable too is very good. You guys can see it's not bouncy or anything like that, and doesn't have a lot of memory issues either. So this one not only is a very good sounding IEM, it's a well behaved IEM too. Now, why I am praising this IEM a lot? It's because it doesn't have anything bad about it. Now, what happens with a few IEMs is that something like Warner SG, okay, what happened with that was it was well balanced, but it was lacking character too. It didn't had that kind of energy to it. It lacked details and transparency. For just $20, that was very good, but pay slightly more than that, and this one offers a lot more than that. This one has the base body, base thump, sub bass depth, and the area of impact too. It's not big, okay, the area of impact is not huge, but it has the weight behind the notes, which is the biggest thing about this IM. It's a punchy IM. Notes have the layered definition to them. It's not like it's highly dynamic or anything like that. At this price range, you should not expect a lot of technicalities. Yet this IM is not lacking with technical abilities either. So that is a very good thing. If we start talking about the mid range, that is why it is slightly shaky. Okay, it's a W shaped IM, and the vocals are very cohesive, very, I will say, slightly warmer, and very accurate to be precise. They are, they have the right tonality and timbre to them, and the resolution and definition are very good. Yes, yes. Sometimes they feel uneven. Okay, for just a $30 IM, you cannot ask for a lot of maturity and a lot of refined delivery. Okay, so and in that point, this one is a very good IM. It doesn't have anything negative about it, not even the details or anything. Everything is going for it, and I like the way this one deals with the treble. Okay, treble extension isn't excellent or anything like that, but this one has very good agility. It does not try to be over aggressive or anything like that. The treble is not forward, and it delivers very good clarity up till the end. So that is where this IM is very good at. And I like the staging too. It has a well expanded stage, and it is a bit more rounded, more 3D like, with very good height and width. So for an IM at just $30, this one is highly recommended. So this is it. This is my initial impression of the 7 Hours Elua. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.